Storing alcohol inks. So this is how I have my alcohol ink stored. You can get these alcohol ink storage tins. I have blues and greens in one, pinks and reds in another, neutrals, oranges and yellows, and then I have my metallics and my pearls. And you'll see I took a little bit of the ink and I put it on some glossy cardstock and then just punched a hole with a hole punch and glued it to the top. So right from the top of my tin, I can see exactly what colors I have, what tones, what not. And then just so I remember exactly where I've, what I took out of there in case I take one and I'm using it, I know exactly what color is missing. So, and I also know where it belongs. So if you find you're getting a fairly large collection, this is a great way to store them. They do have a little lock on the side, so I end up storing them on their sides because they fit on my shelf perfectly like that. But just so you know that there is a storage container for them, which makes it much easier to organize and store.